In this video, I want to talk about how to get a list of WAN-Edges from the Cisco.com website. We will need this list to build our lab. Don't forget, first you must have a Cisco Smart account. First, we should navigate to https://software.cisco.com. Okay? https://software.cisco.com. As you know, if you do not have a Cisco Smart account, you cannot use the features of this portal. Look here, get a smart account. A smart account are required to use smart licensing. It's necessary to have a smart account. First, I should log in with my smart account. From here, I choose login, okay? And then arash.enstwi@gmail.com. Okay, next. I am waiting. Okay, redirecting to software.cisco.com, the portal of we need. Okay, I should enter my password. Okay, and then go to website. Okay, after that we should select plug and play connect. Okay, from here, look at here, network plug and play. We need it, plug and play connect. Okay, select it, plug and play connect. And in this step, if you want to continue, first you should accept agreement with Cisco.com. Okay, review agreement, accept agreement. Okay, then in plug and play connect, we have many choices: devices, controller profile, network, certificates, and others. Okay, first select controller profile and then add profile. This is our profile, add profile. Okay. Okay, as you see, choose the type of profile to be created. Controller type. We have three types of controllers: PNP server, V1, WLC wireless LAN controller. We need V1. Okay, select V1, profile type, select V1, and then next. Okay, in step 2, we should complete profile setting form. Profile setting, profile name, description, default profile, deployment type, multi-tenancy, organization name, primary controller. First, profile name. It's a unique name between all profiles. It's a name for differentiate between our profiles. Okay, I choose Arash ENSTWI. Yeah, okay, description, my default profile, or everything you want. Okay, default profile. Yes, this is my first profile and I want to choose that this is my default profile. Okay, yes. Deployment type. Only one choice is here now, the customer hosted. Okay, customer hosted, multi-tenancy. In this video and in our first labs, we don't need multi-tenancy, and because of that, I choose no. Organization name, very, very important. Organization name should same as your organization name in the vSmart and in the vManage and many part of our labs. Because of that, you should consider this carefully. Okay, I use my organization name, Arash-ENSTWI, and then primary controller. Primary controller is V1. Okay, host name. If you choose host name, you should enter here host name of your V1. If you choose IPv4, you should enter here IPv4 address of V1. And if you choose IPv6, you should enter here IPv6 address of your V1. I choose IPv4 and my V1 address 10.0.0.2. It's only my choice. It's completely optional. And if you want, you can choose another address. And if you want, after configuration of this form, maybe in our scenario, we change it. Okay. But first I use 10.0.0.2. DTLS, Datagram Transport Layer Security. is the protocol for control connection between vBond and, or for example, vManage, for example, vSmart. Okay, and this is the UDP port of connection, UDP port 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, that used between vBond or vManage, vBond or vSmart, and also vBond and our V8. Okay, the form is completed. Next, I choose next. Step 3, review. Profile type, controller type, vBond. Yes, it's correct. Profile name, RH-ENSDWI. Description, my default profile. Deployment type, customer hosted. Primary IPv4 address, 10.0.0.2. Primary protocol, DTLS. Primary port, 12346. Organization name, RH-ENSDWI is very, very important. Okay, service provider organization name can be entered in future. Okay, very good. And submit. Step 4, confirmation. The controller profile RH-ENSDWI was successfully created and done. Very good. Okay, RH-ENSDWI vBond default profile. Description, my default profile, used by 0 devices. Okay, we use it after some configuration, and downloaded provisioning file downloadable from here after we configure devices. Everything is okay now. Okay, this is the first step. Let's get started the second step. Devices. If you use hardware devices, your choice is request add devices. And if you want to use software devices or VM devices, you should choose add software device. Okay, I select add software devices, request add device agreement. Yes, I agree with all of these terms. I agree. Very good. Request add devices. Your request is granted. Very good. Add software devices. Repeat. Okay. Step 1, add software devices. Step 1, identify devices. First, identify devices. Add software device. Add software device. Base PID. In this step, I should enter my PID or my device's PID. Very good. If you want to use VH or CH, you should first enter VH. Look at here, VH. Okay. Automatically, you see VH Cloud DNA. Choose it. Quantity. How many VH Cloud DNA you use in your lab? Okay. For example, I use 10 VH Cloud DNA or VH Cloud. Very good. Controller profile. Choose controller profile. What controller profile you want to attach this VH to that? Okay, choose controller profile. My controller profile that I created now is here. RH-ENSDWI selected, and I should create, or I should write a description for this profile or for these devices, or VH Cloud for my lab, for example. Okay, very good. VH Cloud for my lab, and save it. Okay, I receive an error. As you see, of course, I receive a message here that you may not receive. Here tells me my account should be checked for these devices. I have not received this message before. Asks me to use the support option at the top of the page. You probably won't encounter this issue. Okay, let's continue. Add software devices. Add software devices. Base PID. I want to import or license my CSRs or CHs. Base PID. I enter CSR 1 kV CSR1. Okay, CSR1 kV. Quantity, for example, I use 8 CSR1 kV controller profile. RH-ENSDWI. CSR 1000V for my lab, for example, for my lab. Okay,